Doon naman kayo sa north, oh.
Pierce ako carrion dito. Pierce carrion.
Take nyo yung ano. Kuko yung ano 4 seconds, yung root bond. Nakikita mo yung root bond sa healer. Kuko 3, 2, 1,
Yeah.
kuko. Wait na.
Na-purge yung mana ko, by the way.
Carrion.
Na-purge yung mana ko.
Carrion.
Sige lang.
Pierce carrion.
Carrion.
Karen.
Carrion bad.
Sion Carrion.
Pierce ulit carrion.
Ay, sutong ko.
Balik!
Okay, ano yun? Ano naman?
We're good.
Tulog, gago na double pierce.
Pre, root bond
Okay.
inside.
Root band pierce.
Kosa.
Root band no cleric.
Kuko tatlo to.
3, 2,
Nahel
Pre,
back
pre.
ako, nahel back ako, ah.
Okay. Yung backline natin na dive. Backline natin na dive.
bird inside.
Bird
Bird.
pierce.
GG.
Ano?
Ay, Judy.
Bird,
Sorry.
I'm still bird.
Go back. Wala na akong Judy.
Okay, go back daw. Full kite daw. I can't help you. Go back. Full kite daw. Full kite.
Wait muna natin, Judy.
Gago.
Wait. Go back.
Balik.
Dito.
Halong,
Saan kayo?
loading
Uy,
kasi dun eh.
saan kayo?
I have no GG lang.
Kuko to.
Pero I have
Fuck. Go back.
No,
Wait na natin yan. Wait na natin yan.
Sumunod ba sila? Kung sumunod sila, take natin yung mid.
Take. Take nyo.
Okay, wait. Sige.
Pwede ka mag-overdouble, Johannes,
Take mid daw. Uy, nag-bots yung ano.
Artion, RDPS.
RDPS Pierce.
May Judy ako. Anytime now.
Bird pa rin. No bots. No bots yung bird. No bots.
You're in the middle, bro. You're in the
Sige lang.
middle.
Judy ako.
Wait lang.
Ion root band. Root band bad, ah. Root band bad. Then.
Go back.
I'm rest.
Fuck me, bro.
Okay. I'm coming. I'm here.
Right now.
Ba't yung bird, ah?
Pierce yung bird. Bird can die still.
Artion bird.
No GG dun sa kanila.
Healer can die.
Pierce ko yung
Healer can
healer.
also die.
No.
Ion bird.
Healer.
Matay healer. Patay na healer. Nice.
Setting 3, 2,
Bakit?
Yung
Resetting
top,
right
please.
now. Resetting.
Ay, may bad.
Judy here.
May clip ka doon. Pa-upload doon, please.